This is our Chevrolet Equinox 2013 model, 1LT SUV. We did just receive it. Tires look fantastic. Here's your VIN. It does come with remote start. It is an all-wheel drive. Power seats, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, Bluetooth, cruise control. Here's the console. It is an automatic. It does have a premium sound system in it, airbags, very nice interior. Come on, open. In the back, it's got the split folding down back seat. If this is a vehicle you'd be interested in, please let us know. We'd be happy to help you out with it.